Assalamu alaikum. How can you get a job as a doctor, nurse, general practitioner, as a specialist, dentist, or as a pharmacist in Brunei Darussalam? Brunei Darussalam is a very rich country and its economy based on oil and gas reserves. You just have to email your CV, your up-to-date CV, to the following email address, and that CV will go into a CV pool. Whenever they will need a person, whenever they will have a slot to fill in a medical fraternity, they will select your CV from that pool. If you are a doctor, they will select a suitable CV from that pool and they will contact you on the email. For example, if they want a gynecologist and you have sent your CV already as a gynecologist there, they will select the CV from the pool and they will contact you, they will email you, and they will set a date for an interview. Now, interview is a very straightforward interview which will conclude in 20 to 25 minutes, and it will basically or majorly consist of your introduction, your study history, your training period, and the workplace you are working in, your job description, and things like this. At the end, they will ask you 2 or 3 scenario based questions about your clinical knowledge, and that will not be very tough questions. Those will be very common ones that you already had faced in your medical career. There is a time slab that they will contact you back if they want you, like they will contact you maybe in 2 to 3 months, or if you have already mentioned your references in your CV, they will contact your references and they will email them asking about you. They will send them a performa, and your reference will fill out that performa about your ethics, about your medical career, about your training, about your interaction with the colleagues, interaction with the patient, and your work ethics, all included in that performa. And your reference will send them back that that your performa, and then after 2 to 3 months they will contact you for the job offer. But it doesn't mean that this is the pet or the clear cut time frame where when they will contact you. It may take from 6 months to a year as well, because this process is free of cost. You don't need to pay anyone in this process, so there is no harm in applying. And yes, that is a small country, and there are a large number of applications from South Asia, like from Pakistan, Bangladesh, and India. So sometimes, obviously, most of the time you don't get call back and they don't contact you, because obviously they have a large pool of CVs from where they select a person, and it all depends upon the experience, the specialty they want a doctor in. Like if they want a gynecologist, they will select a gynecology CV from the CV pool. If they want a gastroenterologist, or if they want a medical officer in with the experience in gastroenterology, they will select from there. So this is all about Brunei Darussalam, that how can you apply, and how much chances to get a job there is low. There is no harm in applying because there is no cost there. You don't have to pay to anyone anything. You don't have to go somewhere to apply the job there. You just have to send your CV to the following email address. They will send you a performa, a form that you will download. Okay, you will download that, and then you will fill with the pen. After that, you will scan those pages, filled pages, and convert it into PDF file, and then you will send them back on the same email address. That is the whole process. There is nothing difficult in applying, and many people ask questions about how to fill the performa. It's all written there. You didn't need to download that form, fill it with the pen, and then convert it into PDF after scanning the pages. So this is the whole process. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.